I recently had to install Windows on this 2015 iMac after replacing the SSD. The drivers got installed automatically via Windows Update, and although they don't show an error in the device manager, there was no sound. I did try updating the sound drivers using Snappy Driver Installer, and those drivers didn't work either. I then tried using a script called Brigadier, but that is supposed to work to detect the model of the Mac and download the correct BootCamp drivers for it, but unfortunately that also didn't work. So I did a bit of research and found that these iMacs use Cirrus Logic sound hardware. I tried various Cirrus Logic drivers until I finally found some that worked, and I'm just going to show you how to get yours installed, and I will also provide a download link for the drivers that I found. I hope this helps. So here's my Google Drive page, and the download link is up here. Just click on that. Wait for it to finish downloading. I'm going to open the downloads folder. Here's the downloaded file. I can double click that, extract it so we can get all the files out of the zip file. Once you've extracted them, you should be able to see the contents right here. Yep. So we can go ahead and close that now. Okay, now there are two high-definition audio device listings in Device Manager, and you want to open the bottom one. From there, go to Driver, Update Driver, and browse your computer. Look for the path where you've just downloaded the files to. Highlight that. Click OK. I'll make sure subfolders is ticked and go to Next. Hopefully it should have found your drivers and installed them for you. There we go, the Cirrus Logic. Now at this point we're probably going to have to restart the computer. Yeah, it's asking to restart. And we're back, and we have sound. Yes, excellent. Okay, let's try a video. Right, let's fix some stick drift in a PS5 controller. This one is a limited edition God of War controller. Belongs to a client called Anthony. And I'm carefully taking it apart because, I don't want to damage his nice limited edition controller. Okay, well, if you're here because you were having trouble getting sound on your iMac, I hope that this was helpful. There are other Cirrus Logic drivers for other models of iMac. I'm not sure exactly which ones those are, but I'm sure if you go looking, you'll find them. Good luck, and see you next time.